Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate guide to the hottest products flying off the shelves. Today, we're diving into the world of beauty and style with our countdown of the top-selling dyes products on Amazon. Whether you're looking to refresh your hair color or experiment with a bold new look, we've got you covered. From vibrant hues to subtle shades, these dyes are making waves in the beauty industry. Stay tuned as we unveil the products that everyone is talking about. Without further ado, let's dive right in and discover what's making these dyes the must-haves of the season. At number 5, we present the Tie-Dye Kit by Winsons, a spectacular blend of creativity and fun designed for everyone from kids to adults. Imagine a world where your imagination knows no bounds, and every fabric piece becomes a canvas for your artistic expressions. First, let's talk about the all-in-one nature of this kit. With 8 vibrant squeeze bottles filled with permanent dye, 8 protective gloves, 40 rubber bands, and a straightforward instruction sheet, it's truly a comprehensive set. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete novice, this kit is tailored to fit your needs, ensuring you have everything to start right out of the box. Ease of use is a standout feature. No prior skill is required, just add water, mix the dye, and you're ready to go. The process is as simple as tying your chosen pattern, applying the dye, and letting it set. Within 6-8 hours, you'll unveil your masterpiece. This simplicity makes it perfect for interactive classroom activities, homemade gifts, or just a fun project to enjoy with friends and family. Now let's delve into the quality of the dye. The high-standard, permanent dyes in this kit are designed to resist fading, ensuring your vibrant creations remain as bold as the day you made them. From t-shirts and hoodies to tote bags and curtains, the possibilities are endless. Use it on cotton, rayon, and other super absorbent fabrics for the best results, and watch your patterns pop with color. Ideal as a gift or for party games, the Winsons Tie-Dye Kit brings joy and creativity to any occasion. It's perfect for children, grandchildren, nephews, siblings, and friends. It's not just about the art, it's about the moments you create together. Whether at parties, classes, summer camps, family gatherings, or holiday celebrations, this kit is a brilliant way to bond and make lasting memories. Safety is paramount with the Winsons Tie-Dye Kit. Using non-toxic, odorless, and long-lasting paints, this kit conforms to ASTM D4236 and EN 71 standards, making it suitable for children aged 3 and up. You can rest assured knowing it's safe for everyone involved in the creative process. So, there you have it, our number 5 pick, the Winsons Tie-Dye Kit. It's more than just a dye set, it's a gateway to creativity, fun, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're looking to brighten up your wardrobe or create unique gifts, this kit has got you covered. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Landing at number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling dyes on Amazon is the Rit Dye RIT Color Stay. This 8-ounce bottle of magic is a game-changer for anyone passionate about fabric arts and crafts. Imagine transforming your creations with vibrant colors that stay true and vivid, long after the dyeing process is complete. That's exactly what Rit Dye RIT Color Stay promises and delivers. This remarkable product does more than just color your fabrics. It locks in those hues, reducing bleeding and fading to keep your projects looking fresh and fantastic. Whether you're working on a tie-dye masterpiece or a dip dye wonder, this dye fixer enhances and preserves your colors with precision and ease. It's perfect for both your homemade dye projects and those commercially dyed fabrics you cherish. Use it immediately after dyeing to prevent colors from bleeding into those pristine white areas, ensuring sharp and distinct patterns every time. Think of it as the finishing touch that makes all the difference, elevating your work from good to exceptional. Rit Dye Rit Color Stay works best on natural fibers like cotton, linen, rayon, and ramie, as well as fabric blends containing these fibers. Its effectiveness on these materials ensures your projects have the durability and brilliance you desire. Made proudly in the USA, it's a product that stands for quality and reliability. So if you're looking to maintain the vibrancy and integrity of your dyed fabrics, the Rit Dye RIT Color Stay is your go-to solution. Enhance your dyeing projects, preserve your creativity, and ensure your colors stand the test of time. This is not just a dye, it's a promise of lasting beauty and brilliance for all your fabric creations. At number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling dyes on Amazon is the Rit Dye Liquid in Navy Blue, a true gem for all your fabric dyeing needs. This versatile dye offers a kaleidoscope of possibilities, transforming your wardrobe and home decor with vibrant, eye-catching colors. Imagine the creative potential. With Rit Dye Liquid, you can craft stunning tie-dye masterpieces, sophisticated ombre effects, intricate dip-dyed designs, mesmerizing marbled patterns, and traditional shibori art. This dye isn't just for clothes. Let your imagination run wild on shoes, accessories, and home decor, breathing new life into every fabric surface. What makes Rit Dye Liquid truly exceptional is its versatility. It's perfect for a wide range of applications, from rejuvenating faded colors to coordinating new shades that harmonize beautifully. Whether you're refreshing an old favorite or embarking on a new project, this dye ensures a vibrant, lasting color that stands out. To get started, all you need is a washing machine, a plastic container, or a stainless steel sink. Yes, it's that simple. The convenience of this dye makes it accessible for everyone, from beginners to seasoned crafters. So dive into the world of color with Rit Dye Liquid in navy blue. Unleash your creativity, transform your fabrics, and enjoy the burst of vibrancy it brings to every project. This isn't just dyeing. It's an art form, a way to express yourself with every hue and shade. Are you dying to see the rest of the best-selling dyes on Amazon? Well, don't be left out in the wash. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a colorful update. Ranking at number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling dyes on Amazon is the Rit Dye 88150 All-Purpose Liquid Dye in Black, an absolute powerhouse of color transformation. This versatile dye offers an explosion of vibrant hues for a wide range of materials, making it a must-have for every creative enthusiast. Picture this. Whether you're working with cotton, linen, silk, wool, rayon, ramie, or even nylon, this dye delivers rich, deep color that breathes new life into your fabrics. But it doesn't stop there. Imagine turning ordinary wood, wicker, paper, and cork into extraordinary pieces of art with just a splash of this all-purpose dye. This dye is perfect for rejuvenating faded clothing, giving a fresh look to your apparel, shoes, and accessories, or even coordinating your home decor with ease. Say goodbye to laundry accidents, and hello to a world of vibrant possibilities. With Rit Dye, the only limit is your imagination. Now let's talk techniques. Whether you're into creating stunning ombre effects, bold dip-dyed designs, intricate marbled patterns, traditional shibori, or classic tie-dye, Rit Dye empowers you to craft unique, personalized pieces. And with over 1,000 color recipes available on Rit's website, you're almost guaranteed to find the perfect shade for any project. For those working with fabrics containing 35% or more polyester, acrylic, or acetate, remember to switch to Rit Dye More Synthetic Fiber Dye to achieve the best results. This ensures your colors are not just vibrant, but also long-lasting. So embrace your inner artist with the Rit Dye 88150 All-Purpose Liquid Dye in Black. Transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, and let your creativity shine with every fabric, every pattern, every project. This is not just dyeing, it's a colorful revolution. Finally, at the pinnacle of our top 5 best-selling dyes on Amazon, we have the Rit Purpose Liquid Dye in a stunning royal blue. This is the ultimate choice for anyone looking to infuse their projects with rich, vibrant color. Imagine the possibilities. This dye can breathe new life into almost any fabric or fabric blend: cotton, linen, silk, wool, rayon, ramie, or nylon. But it doesn't stop there. Think about transforming wood, wicker, paper, and even cork into vibrant works of art. The versatility of this dye is simply unmatched. It's perfect for so many applications. Rejuvenate faded clothing, give new color to your apparel, shoes, and accessories, or even coordinate your home decor. And let's not forget the magic of concealing those unfortunate laundry accidents. With this dye, every piece can be a masterpiece. Dive into creativity with ease using simple dye techniques. Create unique ombre effects, bold dip-dyed designs, intricate marbled patterns, traditional shibori, or classic tie-dye. The options are endless and the results are always spectacular. And for the ultimate in customization, Rit offers over 1,000 color recipes on their website. You'll almost certainly find the exact shade you need for your project. Whether you're looking for something bold and bright or subtle and sophisticated, Rit has you covered. Remember, if you're dyeing fabrics with 35% or more polyester, acrylic, or acetate, switch to Rit Dye More Synthetic Fiber Dye to achieve the best results. This ensures your colors are not only vibrant but also durable. So there you have it. The Rit Purpose Liquid Dye in Royal Blue, the #1 dye that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. Unleash your creativity, revive your wardrobe, and let your colors shine with unparalleled vibrancy. This is not just dye, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. We hope you loved our countdown of the best-selling dyes on Amazon. To keep up with all the top-rated products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.